Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're doing something really ono. It's fall off the bones barbecue ribs. Cook dinner in 30 to 40 minutes. In the Instant Pot, I know some of you have mentioned you don't know how to use it, but it's very easy. So first I'm going to take ribs. I have a small ribs and a bigger one. And then I'm going to season it. Not too much salt. Just lightly sprinkle. And then some pepper. And I'm going to turn this over. And I'll rub it in after because I don't want to dirty my hands in touching the container. This is a nice piece. I cut off a lot of the fat that was on there. Okay. I don't want to put too much salt, so I'm going to rub this in a little bit. And then because they're kind of long, I'm going to cut them in half. You don't have to, but it just makes it easier to handle. I'll just take my knife here. And this bone here is soft, so you can cut through it easily. And then we'll cut this one here in half. Okay. And then we're just going to put it in the Instant Pot. We're adding half a cup of apple cider vinegar in the pot, 4 cups of water or 1 quart of water, and then mix it by itself. And then just put the meat in. And I have some nice bay leaves. Put that in there, and then we'll close it up and we'll cook it for 25 minutes. Okay, you can see how the ribs are, the water, but don't worry, it'll cook by itself. So now I'm gonna plug the thing in. Okay, and gonna press meat and stew, and it's already set at 25 minutes. If you want it less or more, you use the plus or minus sign, and that's it. Now we put the cover on. Okay, and in 25 minutes we'll take it out. Okay, the timer went off, so now I'm gonna unplug it and turn this to right or left, let it vent out. And when this red button goes down, it's ready to open it. Don't open it before. So a lot of steam goes up. If you don't want a lot of steam, then you can just kind of cover it with a cloth. And it takes about a couple of minutes. I forgot to tell you, I said 25 minutes, but it has to warm up for about 10 minutes or so, and then the timer will say 20, 18, 19, whatever, and then it'll be ready. Now you see the red button has gone down. Now it's ready to open up safely. So I grab this and just turn it and open it. And there you are, the ribs. So what I'm gonna do is put it on this rack. Now you can see it's really fall off the bone. So I'm gonna put it on this rack. Take it all out. Smells really good too. Super tender. Okay. Oops, he really fall off the bone. I'll just put this over here. Look how tender it is. Just can pull it out. So all I'm gonna do now is take any kind of barbecue sauce. You can make your own if you want, but I didn't have time. And you can see it's very, very tender. And I have a new bottle. And there's no way you can make it in a pot in this short a time, right? So you can see this, especially if you're a working mother or parent and you're in a hurry to do this and everybody is hungry, it's really fast to do. So put as much barbecue sauce as you want. And we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. And everybody who tries this really likes it. Okay, now I'm gonna flip them over. Super soft, very tender. For our family, this won't last too long. One serving, that's it. It'll be gone by tonight. Okay, we put more sauce. And then just brush it on. And it doesn't matter what kind of barbecue sauce you make. They're very similar in taste. It has a smoky kind of aroma and taste. So you can say, oh, it's just like the kind that you buy at a barbecue shop. Really good. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna pop it in the oven. The broiler's on. Okay, you really have to watch this at this point. Maybe 10 minutes each side, and then flip it over and another 10 minutes. So you want the sauce to caramelize and really get on the meat. So we have to watch it every so often. So I'll put it on for 10 minutes. It's been about 8 minutes and you can see how caramelized it got. So I'm gonna flip it over. And you have to watch it, like I said. It may take between 5 to 10 minutes, but watch it so you don't burn it. I think if it were 10 minutes, it'll probably be burnt. put it back in again. I can hardly wait to eat this. Looks and smells so yummy. Okay, this is the ribs now. The second side, it's probably less than 5 minutes. So like I said, you really have to watch it. So I'm gonna cut it and plate it. You see, it's really fall off the bone. See, I made some sides to go with it. Some mac and cheese and some butter beans with ham and cabbage. It's really delicious. So I'm gonna put, you know, people like more sauce, so you can put more sauce as you like it. And isn't this a wonderful meal? It is. So I'm gonna taste it. You really don't need a knife. It'll just fall apart. It's pretty hot, but I think I can get it. Yummy. See? Fork tender. And folks, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. And if you have any requests, let me know and we'll see what we can do. Mahalo for watching. Thank you.